Today, we'll be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2013 Toyota Highlander. It'll be the exact same process from 2010 to 2013. Go to the top corners of the glove box. Put pressure on the sides to release that tab. After releasing both sides, the glove box should swing right off. You can place it back, noticing the orientation on the bottom. Now that you've removed the glove box, unclip both sides to release the little door. Notice the orientation says up with a little arrow. That's how you're going to put it back together. Now that you have access to your air filter, notice the side arrows. Notice the orientation. When you install your new air filter, make sure the arrows are pointing down. Whoa, this was cooked. Leave your comments below, like, and subscribe. There's more on the way.